Hey guys, welcome back to the Collector Car Network. My name is Luke. I want to show you guys something pretty cool. This is a 1956 Ford Thunderbird convertible. Now in 1955, Ford rolled out the Thunderbird to kind of rival the Chevrolet Corvette. Now some would even say that the 50s styling Thunderbird is the pinnacle of automotive design, and I might have to agree. Now this one in particular has undergone a full frame and nut and bolt off restoration, so it's pretty cool. So let's talk about it, but first a quick word from our sponsor.
To drive foreign cars.
Okay, so this one in particular was purchased from Amos Minters in 2007, and it has remained here in Florida and has been meticulously maintained and cherished since. Now, this color that you see on this exterior, man, is it pretty. They're calling it Peacock Blue, and with the chrome accents and, you know, just the design all around, I really see why people would consider this to be the pinnacle of design. And as we come down just a little bit further, we do have our fender skirts, and as we look at our top here, you notice a white hardtop, but this also comes with your soft top, so you're kind of getting the whole package here. All right, so what lies underneath this thing? Well, you're looking at the original 312 cubic inch engine, which roughly pushes out 225 horsepower. Now that's obviously not a lot today, but back then, you know, this thing had some get up and go to it, and that's why it was pushed to rival the Corvette. And you can notice the same kind of color scheme going on that we see on the exterior, including that 50 styling chrome, abundant throughout, which really looks good. Now it is paired to a Ford-O-Matic transmission, and this thing looks really cool. So with that being said, let's take a look at what lies inside. As we look inside, you'll see the luxurious two-tone paint scheme going on, and it complements that Peacock Blue exterior so well. Now it does have some modern amenities. It does have power operated windows, power brakes, but you can tell every detail has been carefully crafted. From the chrome accents, you know, to the stylish dashboard, it looks really sleek. Okay guys, as we get towards the rear of this vehicle, we do have our Thunderbird badging right there. Very, very classic. As well as these fins, man, I love the fins. Honestly, I wish they made a comeback because they are really, really cool. But again, definitely more of that 50s styling. And as we look even further back, you'll notice this does have the Continental kit on it. This one, however, was factory optioned, and it does complement the vehicle quite nicely, especially with the chrome bumpers that you see. Now, this was just a short little look at this vehicle. We had to bring it to you guys, so let us know down in the comments how you feel about it.